If you need to move a list or table of data from Word, you can easily import the entire document into Excel with just a few clicks. Converting a list. Display the formatting characters in your Word document. Press Ctrl-Shift**. Replace the paragraph marks between each entry to get rid of extra space. Press Ctrl-H to open the Find and Replace window. Type ABOP into the Find field. Enter a delimiting character into the Replace field. Click Replace All. Separate each entry into separate fields. Press Ctrl-H to open the Find and Replace window. Change the character in the Replace field to a comma. Click Replace All. Replace the delimiting character to finish the formatting process. Enter whatever character you chose into the Find field. Enter P into the Replace field. Click Replace All. Enter whatever character you chose into the Find field. Click Replace All. This will break your entries back into individual groupings. Save the file as a plain text file. Open the file in Excel. Click the All Excel Files drop-down menu and select Text Files. Click Next in the Text Import Wizard window. Select the data format and click Finish. Converting a table. Select the text you want to convert into a table. Click the Insert tab, then Table button. Select Convert Text to Table. Enter the number of lines per record in the Number of Columns field. Click OK. Check the formatting of your table. Click the little plus button that appears in the upper left corner of the table. Click the Copy button in the Home tab. Open Excel. Press Ctrl-V to paste the data.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.